Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do just a quick mini greenhouse tour of my makeshift greenhouse that I've actually built. I've made this out of just a cheap $13 shelf from Bunnings, and I have essentially just wrapped it in bubble wrap, and it has done the trick for my cuttings for the past maybe 4 or 5 months. And I'm actually really excited because I am going to be ordering a big outdoor greenhouse soon. Oh, get ready for that tour. I'm also going to film how I built it, all that jazz, so I'm really excited for that. But without further ado, let's jump into the mini greenhouse tour. So this is just a quick little overview of what it looks like. And basically, all I do is just tuck the bubble wrap around behind it, and this whole front moves away, and that is the inside. So let's have a look. So on my first shelf I have some string of pearls. I have a little Hoya Shepherdii back there. Just got some lipstick plants, some more Hoya. Look at these guys. So these are Hoya carnosa cuttings, so they're rooted already. I've got some Trader Scantia in the front here, some more Hoya in the back. I have right at the back there, I have some Monstera Adansonii, and in the front here I have some Marble Queen with just a random golden pothos up there. And then down here I have this little Rapsalis of some sort. I have a little Peperomia caparata growing in there. This is a New Zealand native Peperomia at the back here. I have a philodendron at the front. I've got some more Marble Queen pothos cuttings. I've got some silver satin pothos cuttings there and at the back. In the front here I have some angel wing begonia cuttings and a Maranta tricolour cutting in there. And then I have some more a Trader Scantia variety in the back there, rooting up in some water. And then on the bottom shelf I have some more very sad looking begonia angel wing cuttings. Here I have a Philodendron domesticum, I think, and it's about to pop out a new leaf, so if it'll focus, there we go. So that's exciting. And then over here I have my Philodendron Florida Beauty, I think. I don't know, let me know in the comments if you know what kind of philodendron this is. So it's got red petiole, slightly furry. These are the immature leaves and these are the slightly more mature leaves. But these guys seem to be rooting quite well. Mind the dirt, I know. I need to clean it. But yeah, that is essentially my little indoor greenhouse setup. And I pretty much have everything propagating it in water just because it's a lot easier. And I've also got another propagation station in another room, which I'm running out of breath. Which all my cuttings are on a heat mat. I've got some in some propagation boxes, some just sitting on the heat mat, so I have propagations everywhere, but these are sort of for the more easier to propagate, easier to care for cuttings. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed that mini tour. It was short and sweet, but a lot of people asked to see what I had propagating in there, so I thought I would just quickly show you what I have. Yeah, give us a thumbs up if you like this video because it supports my little channel, and happy planting. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!